Hey guys, it's Chris. I thought I'd make this video because the reason why is this, guys. Yep. Randy hard, man. Oh boy, I'm stoked. About to be. It's just the beginning. God dang. Yeah, I'm going to Martin Sortun, guys. Gonna pick up a little bro. Man, it's like really crazy rain. I didn't expect to rain like this, man. Like half hour ago, it wasn't like this. But now, it's rain intense. Oh boy. I'm soaked. And it's hot at the same time. I gotta hold the umbrella. Oh God. Maybe I should stay in the car. Well, I want to record this anyways. So, yep, I'm doing it, guys. I'm recording. Wow, I'm still gonna change. Look at me. If I don't change, I can get sick. I don't want to get sick, guys. No. Not gonna happen. Oh! Alright, I gotta hold this, guys. So, hey, guys are watching. Crazy rain. Peace.